Hey there, beautiful gardeners. You've probably seen aloe vera all over the place, on windowsills, in kitchens, or even inside skincare bottles. But most people don't really know how to take care of aloe vera plants properly. It's not just about sticking it in sunlight and hoping for the best. In this video, I'm going to show you how to really understand your aloe vera plant. Not just the usual tips you hear everywhere, but rare stuff that actually makes a difference. These are things most people don't talk about, and they've taken years of hands-on gardening to learn. So stick around, because if you want your aloe to be healthy, strong, and full of life, you're in the right place. First up, lighting. Aloe vera grows best with plenty of light, but not harsh sunlight all day long. The perfect spot is one that gets soft morning light or filtered brightness during the day. Strong, direct afternoon sun can cause the leaves to turn red or brown and dry out the plant over time. Bright, indirect light keeps aloe vera plants happy. 2. Soil. The soil is just as important. Aloe doesn't like to sit in moisture. It needs fast-draining soil with little nutrition, something like cactus mixed with sand or pumice mixed in. Rich, heavy soil holds water too long and causes root rot. Aloe vera is used to dry, rocky places, so keeping it in light, gritty soil is the best thing you can do. Watering. When it comes to watering, less is better. Aloe vera stores water in its leaves and doesn't need much water. Always let the soil dry out completely before watering again. That usually means once every 2 or 3 weeks, depending on the weather. The pot must have drainage holes. If it doesn't, the roots will stay wet and start to rot. Breathing at night. Here's something a lot of people don't know. Aloe vera breathes at night. It opens its pores in the dark and closes them during the day. This helps the plant save water. That's why it's important to keep it away from hot air at night. A steady, cool spot helps it rest and stay strong. Harvesting aloe vera gel. Older leaves near the bottom of the plant hold the most gel. These are the ones to use if you want the strongest healing properties. The younger leaves near the top are still growing and don't have as much gel or strength yet. Stress response. Aloe vera responds well to gentle stress. When the plant goes through dry spells and has to work a little harder, it produces more of its healing compounds. The key is balance. Dry it out enough to trigger this reaction, but not so much that the plant suffers. Longevity. And here's something surprising. Aloe can live for decades with the right care. Some varieties have been known to survive nearly 100 years. It's one of the longest living houseplants when kept healthy. Well, aloe vera is more than a houseplant. It cleans the air, helps with skin care, and brings natural beauty to any space. When it's taken care of properly, it gives back so much more than expected. If this helped you, feel free to share it with someone who loves plants as much as you do. Everything you see here comes from real experience. Years of trial and error, research, and a whole lot of dirt under the fingernails. And hey, if your aloe vera plant has a name, or if you've got your own little aloe care trick that works, and if there is anything you have tried or planning to try, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear about it, and I know other plant lovers here will too. A like or a quick comment really helps me and would mean a world to me. So please help my small channel grow and reach more people by likes, comments, and shares. Thanks so much for being here. See you in the next one. Bye for now, and happy planting.